It is 7 o'clock on the big day. And we are here just waiting for our time to load Gargoyle. How you feeling?
I'm nervous. I'm very nervous. We have to get out of a really tight marina slip here without scratching up the boat. Nervous about that. We got good wind blowing this morning. Then we have to go over and negotiate with harbor control to get into a very busy port. And then they're going to hook Gargoyle up to a huge crane and lift her 50, 100 feet in the air and swing her over the top of some other boats and set her in a space with about a meter in front of her and a meter behind her and maybe a meter on either side of her. So I've been watching people posting how nervous they get when they get a basic haul out of the marina. You guys have no idea. So here's hoping.
We will wait for your call and we're pretty much ready to go. So we'll talk to you soon. Okay, bye. So the boat is a little bit delayed. She's going to give us half an hour to get over to the docks. So now we just wait for her call. We are saying goodbye to Pier 21.
Bye, Pier 21.
Going past the super yachts. All the pretty super yachts. I'm going to get the fenders on the port side while Kevin drives.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way.
So Kevin's coming in. They've requested that we go in front of the slings and they're going to drop some lines down for us to attach to. That boat right there is going to be our takeaway tender, and I think we're ready to go.
As you fade away,
yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
There she goes. I'm getting paged. I'm coming. Woohoo! Going down in the cradle. Little interlude here. Check out this propeller. It's huge. Ship's quarters are here, and the mess hall actually is right in front of Gargoyle, but we've noticed the tinfoil. We're thinking those are for the night crew, guys that don't want any sunlight getting in their cabin.
All right, they've dropped the slings. She's now in her cradle. She's in the absolute perfect spot on the ship. She's clear at the back. She's completely sheltered by several very, very large ships in front of her. And then, of course, we've got the crew quarters and pilot house and everything here behind her. So she is in the perfect spot, and then those windows are the mess. So every day at breakfast, lunch, and dinner, the guys are going to be able to see if she's doing okay. So we're home for the next 41 days.
Well, Gargoyle's in a cradle. Now we are going to go on board and attach the topping lift, attach the backstay, and just do one final walkthrough.
Shut her all down.
Shut her all down, so she's ready to go. Just hold on to it. Check out Gargoyle's view. That's a wrap. We have 96.1% on the batteries, so we'll see how much we have when we get to
And I think 96.1 is actually probably full. I just haven't synced it, but yeah. I think we're good.
We're good.
So,
This is it.
we'll see you, Gargoyle, in 40 days in Ireland. Oh, that was stressful.
Just a little bit. Well, this is it. Our girl is now settled in. Final step is to secure the cradle to the deck. So these guys are doing that right now. She's ready to go. We've left Gargoyle. We're just trying to figure out how we get off the boat. This guy will know.
Ship the whole way?
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
We'll see you in Ireland then.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, your wife. Remember her? Yeah.
I think we decided to take more videos.
Yeah. That's my husband. He just like takes off and just leaves me, just deserts me like that. He just takes off on the ship. Looking for Alicia so we can drop off the keys.
There she is.
There she is. We are out of the shipping yard and we are walking back to our car. And yeah, we're done. We're done. Can't even see our cargo ship from here, can you?
Down here, on the other side of this building.
It's over here. Oh, hang on. There's our ship.
Can't even see Gargoyle tucked in the back.
No, she's hidden. Very well hidden. Oh. It is 1:30 and we were up at 6 o'clock this morning. So now we're gonna go have some lunch and maybe a cocktail and celebrate that she is safe and tucked away on her cargo ship.
Sounds like a plan to me.
A well-deserved lunch. Pork buns, dumplings, and bubbles. Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Locked and loaded, baby.
We did it.
Yeah. I mentioned how much I love bubbles.